Where are you going to France?
3, 4. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I just gotta get one more and there'll be 10, right? 10 is this much, right?
Mm-hmm.
Need to get 10 and squeeze it. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it has to have 9, 10. I forgot. It needs to have 9, 10. Do it again, right? 9, 10, do it again. Wait, these are good. These are no. I'm taking a lot of socks, right?
Where are you taking all those socks?
To France.
Whoa, what are you going to do there?
I am going to get some corn
Mm-hmm.
for my sisters because you know what?
What?
They like that corn there
Mm.
because it's red and yummy. I love it too.
And,
Now let's count, okay?
okay.
Count now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10! We have 10, 11, 12. Or we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to be gone for 12 days actually.
Wow,
12.
that's a long time.
I'm going to be gone for 12.
We'll be missing you here.
I'm going to miss you guys. But I'm going to call you.
Oh, good, good,
I'll call you.
good.
I'm going to call everyone.
Mm-hmm.
I call everyone when I'm not at home.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to miss you though. I'm going to miss you.
Yeah.
Because I'm going out of Earth, right?
No, you'll be on Earth, but you'll be out of the United States.
I'm going to be out of the United States. I have to go. I'm going to miss you, Aunt.